the brick wall might not have stopped it, but later in this video, we're gonna see if 5 semi-trucks can.
But in this next experiment, I bought this car,
built a giant ramp, and we're gonna see how many buses it can jump over.
How many buses will it jump? At least 3.
4.
I think it's gonna jump all 12 and go into the woods.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It went through the bus. Holy crap.
This looks like some Fast and Furious stuff.
Now let's do it, but with the jet engine.
I may have forgotten to mention that the first car was just for reference. This is the real experiment.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's going way faster. Oh! It literally knocked a bus over.